Hey everybody, today we're going to be focusing on slides 13, 14, and 15. You're going to start by closing up your analysis on the Incan civilization by thinking and incorporating three images that come to your mind when you think of the Incan civilization. But remember, you want to make sure that you are guided by the essential question. So when you go back to the essential question on slide 4, you want to explain just how much talent did Mesoamericans have and explain what made Mesoamerican societies advanced and which one was the most surprising to you. So you want to make sure that you're going through that here in these images. And then, of course, you want to explain why you chose these images. Then you'll be introduced to the Aztec civilization, and you will be watching 2 short videos and completing a quick write in this box below here, right where it says write your responses here. You want to make sure that you are using higher level vocabulary, complex sentence structure. Simple sentences like I learned this is robotic and not 7th grade level, so we want to make sure you're really elaborating. And then also just a little tip, people were asking me in my last week how to adjust images so they can, look a little bit, sideways or things like that. So one way to do that is to click on it and you can go to format options, and there's different ways that you can rotate it, flip it, angle it, etc. You can also recolor it so it looks a certain way, sort of like pop culture. Another way you could do it too is when you click on an image, if you notice there's a little circle here at the top, you can take it and you can move it, side to side so that you can, customize it. So feel free to do that anytime you add an image. You can add your own personal style. Then there's an optional slide here on, when we were learning about Age of Exploration, you might have heard The Road to El Dorado. And that's actually a Disney movie. And there are some parallels between the Aztec civilization and the Disney movie Road to El Dorado. And so I want you to be thinking about that too. And if you have Disney Plus and you watch that movie over the weekend to kind of like draw some comparisons, that helps. There's an article here that's comparing the movie and the history as well. Also, as an alumni of San Diego State University, you'll notice it's SDSU Aztec. So if you're wondering about the connection between the SDSU Aztec mascot and the Aztec civilization, you can read this link right here. Like I say, history is always around us.